You're doing everything right, visualizing, affirming, feeling the emotions, but nothing is happening. And now you're starting to wonder, is this even real? Or worse, is something wrong with you? What if I told you? Your manifestation is already on its way, but the only thing stopping it is you.
Listen closely. Manifestation isn't magic. It's not about snapping your fingers and getting what you want instantly. The universe is not Amazon Prime. Every thought, every belief, every emotion, you've been programming your reality with them for years. And now you expect to undo all that conditioning overnight? You don't plant a seed today and demand a tree tomorrow. You water it. You trust the process. You let it grow. But most people, they dig up the soil every 5 minutes to check if the roots are growing. That's what doubting does. That's what impatience does. That's what constantly checking for signs does. It slows everything down. Here's what the most powerful manifestors understand. Step 1, release the timeline. The fastest way to delay your manifestation? Obsessing over when it's coming. Detach. Let it go. Live as if it's already yours. Step 2, fix your frequency. Your current life is just a reflection of your dominant energy. You can't manifest abundance while vibrating in lack. You can't manifest love while vibrating in desperation. Want to speed it up? Feel the energy of already having it every single day. Step 3, stop looking for proof. Nothing's happening is the biggest lie you tell yourself. Right now, opportunities are aligning. Right now, your reality is shifting. Right now, the universe is working behind the scenes. The moment you stop needing proof is the moment your manifestation speeds up. All right, let's shift gears. You want your desires to come faster? Here's how. Step 1, release the timeline. The fastest way to slow your manifestation? Obsessing over when it's coming. Think about it. When you order food at a restaurant, do you keep asking the waiter every 5 minutes? Is it ready yet? You sit back and trust that it's being prepared. It's the same with manifestation. The more you chase it, the more you push it away. Let go. Detach. Act as if it's already yours. Step 2, fix your frequency. Your thoughts create your reality, but only when they match your energy. If you're saying, I am wealthy, but deep down, you feel broke, your subconscious is rejecting it. I attract love easily, but you still feel unworthy. You're blocking it. Solution? Feel it first. Act like it's already yours. Let your emotions lead the way. Step 3, stop looking for proof. Most people fail here. They say, I'll believe it when I see it. But manifestation works the opposite way. You have to believe it before you see it. Ever noticed how people who expect good things always seem to get them, and people who expect failure always experience it? The moment you stop looking for proof is the moment your manifestation speeds up. Let me tell you about a man named Sylvester Stallone. Before he became the star of Rocky, he was broke, struggling, rejected over 1,500 times, but he never gave up on his vision. He saw himself as a successful actor before the world did, and then it happened. One opportunity, one moment, and his entire life changed. Why? Because he held the belief before he had proof. And that's what separated him from the rest. So next time you say, I'm not seeing results fast enough, remember this: the universe is never late. Your desires are already yours. Your only job? Stay aligned, stay trusting, and let it come to you. Now, here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, act like it's already yours. Feel it, trust it. No doubts, no checking. And then watch what happens. Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to shift your reality. And if you want to know exactly what to expect week by week, grab my free manifestation timeline cheat sheet, link in the description. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. 3 signs your manifestation is closer than you think.